Good morning, grade 5. Today we'll be reviewing all the concepts of chapter 2, divide whole numbers. So before dividing, you have to be thorough with the multiplication table. So learn all the tables and then start division. The first question is select true or false to indicate whether the whole number quotient is correct. So you will either you can divide here 225 divide by 9, and if the answer is 25, that means you will mark it true. But if those are finding it difficult to divide, you can even multiply the quotient with the divisor. That is 25 times 9. If you get the dividend to 25, that means your answer is correct. So either way, you can either divide and check, or you can multiply and check and find out whether the whole number quotient is correct. So these are the answers. So you do it on your own and then mark if it is true or false. Now, question number 2 is about finding the estimate and choosing the first digit of the quotient. So here you have been asked to divide 1875 divide by 9. So you can round off both the quotient and the divisor, that is 1875 round off to 2000, and 9 you can round it off to 10. So 2000 divide by 10, the answer will be 200, which is in the hundreds place. Now question 3, Shen is checking a division problem by doing the following. So he is multiplying the quotient with the divisor, he gets 608, then he is adding the remainder 2, he got 610, which is the dividend. So which problem or what problem is Shen checking? So you can write 610 divided by 4, and the quotient is 152 and remainder is 2, and do the or show the working also. Next question. Tammy says the whole number quotient of 793 divided by 6 is 132, remainder 1. Use multiplication to show if Tammy's answer is correct. So you can multiply 132 with the divisor 6 and add the remainder 1, and you will get 793. That means Tammy's answer is correct. So you can use the formula quotient times divisor plus remainder is the dividend. Now the next question, Jeffrey wants to save the same amount of money each week to buy a new bike. He needs $252. If he wants the bike in 14 weeks, how much money should Jeffrey save each week? So again here you will divide $252 by 14, do the working, and you will get the answer $18. Next is partial quotient. You know, you will use the multiples of the divisor and then keep subtracting till you get the remainder less than the divisor. So you will use 575 divide by 14. The 10th multiple of 14 is 140. So you will subtract 4 times 140, 140, 140, 140. So you will get 15 finally, which can be again divided one time by 14. So the answer, add all the partial quotients, you will get 41. And how will you explain it in words? You can say the quotient is 41, remainder is 1, and I subtracted the multiples of 14 from the dividend until the number left was less than 14. Then I added the partial quotient to find the quotient. Next one is drawing a quick picture. So you can divide 156 divide by 12. The square represents 100, the long represents 10, and the small one represents 1. So you can make a group of 10 using a square and 2 long. And 156, you can subtract 120, you will get 36, which you can represent with 3 long and 6 small cubes. So the answer will be 10 plus 3, 13 will be the quotient. Now the next one is, you have to choose a compatible number that will give the best estimate for 429 divided by 36. So you can say 440 and 40 as the numbers or the best compatible number. Now the next one is to match with the correct division problem. So you can match it. This will be A, this will be C, and this will be B. You can refer to it and do it. And the next one, Paula has a dog that weighs 3 times as much as Carla's dog. The total weight of the dog is 48 pounds. How much does Paula's dog weigh? Draw a diagram to find the weight of Paula's dog. So we have done the bar model. So you will draw one square for Carla's dog and 3 squares for Paula's dog, and altogether the weight is 48 pounds. So you will divide 48 by 4. So you will get 12. 12 will be the weight of Carla's dog, and 3 times 12, that is 36, will be the weight of Paula's dog. Now the last question is, Dylan estimates the first digit in the whole number quotient. So Dylan's estimate, is it too high or too low? So what you will do is you will multiply the quotient with the divisor, 46 times 6. So you are getting 276. 276 is much lower than 366. So you will write Dylan's estimate is too low. So it should be 7 actually. Okay, so revise all the concepts, students. Go through all the PPTs and videos which I have sent along with the post, and go through the math chapter 2, and also you can work out the review test, and you will be able to do it very well. Thanks a lot. All the best. Do well in your first summative test. Bye bye. See you.